Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it.
Hello, first up, for this video I am going to do a review for Nudient, and I have here their products. The Nudient V3 iPhone case and then the Nudient thin card holder. Let's get started. If you are new to my channel, welcome in. Welcome to all of you guys. My name is Elizabeth of The Fierce Artist, and in this channel, I do everything from beauty, fashion, makeup, and just everything and anything under the sun. But for this particular video, I'm going to do my honest review of a very honest company that is based here in Sweden, or that was actually established in Hong Kong, but founded in Stockholm, and it's no other than the Nudient. I'm going to tell you a backstory of how they approached me on the email and telling me that it would be nice if I collaborate with them, do a video, and let you know more about the products. I have received a lot of PR packages before or sponsored videos, but this is the one and only company who just want to send an item for me to be able to give an honest review. There was no script. They didn't ask me to tell this, that, whatnot. They didn't even tell me to research, or they didn't even tell me to go to this link. Or it was just plain, choose a product, we will send you, and just do a review. So here I am giving you a video about this company. Let me tell you about their story. So in 2015, Vidar, which is the CEO or the founder of the company, was actually studying in Hong Kong back. On his search to find that phone case that he really wanted, he found one day and was inspired by it, because when he put it in his phone, it feels as if there was no phone case at all. It feels really good and it was really nice to use every day. When he returned to Sweden, he founded Nudient with his friends, Pontus and Max. They brainstormed on a cafe in Stockholm in 2016. Since then, they are on the verge to go ahead and come up with the best phone case. Just like any other companies, there's some shortcomings in the beginning. So they come up with a very thin shell way back in 2016. And that goes along for the next 2 years. On 2018, they come up with a new version. And that one is a thin shell. Not as thin as the version 1. So they call their versions V1, V2, and now they have V3, which was from 2020. With the help of the designer Jesper Ståhl, they have this brilliant design, which you're going to see when I unbox the phone case. From 2016 to 2021, this date, Nudient have been listening to all of their customers' voices. The reviews are so important to them. If there is a need to enhance with the design, with the quality or whatnot, they always take the feedbacks of each and every customer. And that's also the reason why they probably sent an item to yours truly, so that I could give a honest feedback about these items. And I'm just really excited, as you can feel, about this product, because I took Nudient all over Gothenburg City to check out how cool it will be and how it feels and how it works, especially the case and that thin wallet holder. But before we go do that, let's do the unboxing of this phone case and wallet. So this is the box. Upon receiving it, it was actually in this cool box with a Nudient logo in the middle, but I'm covering it with my hand since I have my address there. Here's a Japanese knife and just removing the tape so we can open it. To tell you honestly, this one have been shipped to me about a few days ago, and it was very fast. So I got the email on a Thursday and I received this item like Monday or Tuesday. It was extremely fast shipping. This first item is the Nudient for iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's the version 3, which is a new design. World's most precise thin case is what it's called here. Just so many details about the case at the back. And this is the second item here, and this is a Nudient in a card holder for the V3 case that I showed you earlier. This one is really cool. So this one right here really warms my heart because it is a very nice and sweet touch from Nudient. And it's a personalized card from Nudient. And they have it here, Nudient X Creator. It's from Miss Hannah, from No Marketing, and the entire team Nudient. It was so sweet of them. They say, "Hi Elizabeth, we're so glad that you want to work with us and spread the word about Nudient. We are so excited to see what you create together with your dusty pink case." Ooh, I am so excited too. So now let's go ahead and open this and start our journey. I love that this is like a box that you can pull out with that black ribbon in there. It's just very easy to pull it out. And this is how it looks. A very pretty dusty pink color. And you know that I love pink. And to remove it, I highly suggest that you do the same. I do it from the top left corner, work my way to the right, and then go down like so, and then there. And here on the box itself, there's an instruction on how to install it, which is very good. And I'm going to show that to you here on this video also, of course. So here you go. And this is the case. It's very nice. It has a matte feel to it. I'm going to tell you more about this one. It says here inside, focus on the essentials, do good, go further. Here is how we can put the case together. So, as per the instructions, go ahead and insert the top left corner like so. And then snap the right corner like so, and then continue with the bottom corners. Very easy. If you're going to need to remove it, you just have to reverse that process. So here is how it looks in the front and at the back. Just really pretty. It's thin, precise feeling. Smooth grip. This is how it looks at the bottom. Now, let me go ahead and take you to the center part of Gothenburg where we can go ahead and check out how this phone case looks on my phone and with the natural lighting. So this is me using my Nudient Thin iPhone 11 Pro Max cover V3 in dusty pink. The goal of Nudient is that they want to protect our phones with the most precise cover ever made. They want to keep the original feeling when we use and press the buttons on our phone. So this Nudient case has a built-in thin auto-adjusting magnets. It has a thin design, fits seamlessly on your phone. This phone case has a strong construction and it protects all four corners and the camera. Also, inside right here, it has a premium fabric to prevent scratches. So that's really, really nice. And we have an inspirational quote here also from the designer himself. Now let's talk about this Nudient thin card holder for Nudient V3 cases. I'm going to show you this unboxing. So here I'm just cutting away the seal tape. And now we are going to slide this box open here and revealing the thin card holder for my Nudient V3 iPhone case. And yeah, see, it's just very easy to grab this one from the box, and it's a very nice clay beige color, and it's a real leather right here. So this one has Nudient magnets and premium leather. Here's the brand engraved in there. And this is how it looks at the back, and look at those fine stitches. And here I'm going to try it on my V3 phone case. Just put it like so. It's just very fast. And see, it does not fall when you shake it like that. I really have to do this test though. So that is how it looks. This combination is just so stunning. The dusty pink and the clay beige are just like very nice combination. Here I'm going to do the test of putting 3 cards that are essential for me that I use on a daily basis. My Swedish card, my Swedbank card, or my card for ATM and the paying stuff, and another ID card right there. So 3 regular size cards fit in this thin card holder. And it's like this. And the best part of this one is that I really did went out, go to a cafe, and tried to make a payment using my phone case with my card right there and just bleep it. I really have to know if that works. Good chance it works. So what more do I need? Because it works there. So that's really amazing. It's very stylish. It's minimalist. It's perfect for those people who are always on the go. Perfect for those people who like a minimalist style, not so loud, not crazy printers on their phone case, just plain ones but with character. So this is just a perfect case, protective and perfect for their everyday use. Then I highly recommend this case. As you see here, I love it, and it looks nice. The dusty pink really pops out wherever I go, so this is a perfect color for me. But there's a lot of colors on the website also. Go ahead and check it out. There's a lot of colors for you, for me. There's 2 colors also for the thin wallet case right here, which is magnetic. There is a black one, and there's this one, which is a clay beige. Where can you order this awesome product? You can order it at nudient.com. That's NUDIENT.com. They have 30 days open shop, and that means you can do returns, exchange in 30 days. But please go ahead and check out their returns policy on the website. That will be very helpful. And also, they ship 1 to 4 days directly to your house on your mailbox. Check out their other products on their website. For iPhones, they have from iPhone 7 to the latest iPhone, which is the 12 Pro Max. For Samsung, they have from Samsung A32, A52, up to Samsung S21 Ultra. So they have like about 6 cases for Samsung there. They have card holders, AirPod shells or AirPods case, screen protector, charging cable also. They got some really cool package deals that you should take advantage of. And then check out the customer reviews, because like me, I did not get paid to say these things at all. So we could guarantee that these people who are doing the reviews are really giving the reviews based on how they see the products, on their usage, and how they feel about these products, and how it protects their phones. This is a protective case. This is something that you use every day, and this is the one that you needed. That's all that I could say. Do I recommend this? Yes, 100%. Not just because it was sent for me to review, but because that's the truth. So, thank you so much for joining me in this video. I'm really happy that I was able to share with you this brand, Nudient. I'm just really happy that they reached out to me, and love you all. Remember to stay fierce and fly high. Tack så jättemycket. Hej då!
So can we just slow